Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRED. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And update's probably not necessarily the right word for this, but more so confirmation would be an accurate term, as the levels that I talked about in the video from Wednesday really played out quite significantly today. Mainly this red line here, although I am going to make an adjustment now that we have more data. But the question becomes, well, what direction is this adjustment being made? And now that we have more data, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of resistance up there to the $1.13 mark. Now, whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, that's always a good step in the right direction. That's a good sign of bullishness. Now, does that mean that this thing's getting ready to explode up to $5? I'm not saying that. My point is, if you were forced to choose, do you want to see levels of resistance being adjusted higher or lower? Then higher is definitely, what you would want to see. And that's what needed to happen here. So going into Friday, $1.13, now that revised area of resistance, which again, really to emphasize, did need to be adjusted in the upwards direction. On the flip side of things, nothing new here to report in terms of supports. 90 cents I talked about on Wednesday. And you can see that actually during that first 30 minutes, the price didn't hit it exactly, but got close to it. So if there's any sort of technical players out there that got filled down around there, congratulations. You got yourself a nice little trade. But point being, 90 cents was that area of support. And not only did it hold as support, but it provided a nice little bounce area also. From the big picture point of view, continue to watch that purple line there, which, as I talked about, is the 50-period simple moving average. So as the name implies, as Friday and the next week play out, that line will move itself higher and higher. So from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% still own the overall trend. But all in all, the chart remains healthy, and it's still one more day left this week, so we'll see if the price can try to get up there and get a break of 113. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.